amazing. The larger plants, I could only get 2 in my hand. Couldn't cut more than 2 out of it.
Oh, the big ones.
So yeah, actually you only need to go around once. So yeah, I usually just put it under there like that. And then just have this shoulder one. But yeah, like start. I usually start by going. I think the way he's explaining is a little far up there. No, like just slip it under like this. So then you have two equal ones like this. Make this one a little shorter. Go like that. This one goes over top. And then it just slips down. That makes sense. So it just crosses that. Yeah, yesterday I was like, for half an hour, couldn't understand how it was working.
No, it's not right.